Most businesses rely on communication to keep things moving, but outdated phone systems make that harder than it should be. They're expensive, clunky, and they can't keep up with the way your team actually works today. At Current TEK Solutions, we give you a cloud-based VoIP system that finally fixes that. It's flexible, reliable, and lets your team stay connected from anywhere, desk phone, mobile app, or right in the browser with crystal clear call quality. You also get the features modern businesses expect: smart call routing, call recording, visual voicemail, auto attendance, group calling, chat, SMS, Find Me tools, shared call paths, the whole works. And the best part? We set it up, maintain it, and monitor it for you, so you get enterprise-level communication without the headaches. If your phones are slowing your business down, it's time for something better. Upgrade to hosted VoIP from Current TEK Solutions and keep your team connected, flexible, and moving forward.